Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial video. My name is Geet Dhillon and today we're going to learn how to protect your content on the WordPress website. Alright, so we're going to understand a lot of different techniques through which the people can take out your content, and to protect it, what are the things that you can do. Alright, so let's just go ahead and take a practical look at it. So guys, I'm here inside my WordPress website, and firstly, if I just kind of refresh this and see, there are multiple ways people can take out your content. Now, this is just like a demo website, and basically, people can just simply select and copy the content and take it away, especially for blogs, right? If you're writing blogs, this is just for demo purpose. I'm just showing you this, but mostly for blogs, you would want to protect the content, right? So, one is this, other is, people can just right click and click on inspect, and from here itself, people can, from here inspect also, people can take in the code, how they're how we have written everything. But apart from that, the main thing is they can just go over here and they can view the page source. From here they can take in the content over here. So that's another way they can actually get everything over here, like how the CSS is, how the code is, what you have written, everything can be taken from here itself. So there are multiple ways to copy content, and this is just this is just what a normal layman can do. And if it's a coder, they can just scrape the data, right? So for this, we what we can do is we can just use some basic things so that the content is protected, right? So I'll just tell you some basic things, right? And there's always an advanced level for doing things, but let's just set this up, and then we'll also talk about, in not today, but we'll also talk about some advanced techniques to be able to protect your content. Okay, just for today, let's just start with the basics. So what you need to do is you need to come to your plugins and you need to add a new plugin. Okay, so I'm here and you need to search for uh, copy protection. Let's just do that. Okay, copy protection. If you search, or let me just come over here, I'll go to the installed plugins, right? And let's just come to this part. Okay, so secure copy content protection. So there are many plugins out there. Now when I search this, you will see there are various plugins out there, right? So this is one, WP copy content protection and no right click. This is another one. So there are many content protection plugins over here. For us, what we're going to do is we're going to work with this secure copy content protection and content blocking. Okay, so I've already installed this. You can activate it, like once I install, you just activate it. I just searched for copy protection. Okay, and if you exactly want to search it, this is the name of the plugin. All right, so I'm just going to activate it, and later on I'll not today, but I'll also be comparing all these plugins and show you like what is the difference between each of them and what are further advanced techniques. But for today, let's just work with this plugin because it also gives you good enough features to be able to protect your content. All right, as well as your images as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and I've installed it. Now I need to go to the settings. Let me just search. This is the copy protection. So I come over here. Over here, I'll go to some general settings. Now in the general settings, I have some options over here. Okay, first let's just go to the copy protection. And in the copy protection, I have these options, these tabs, general option styles. So there are plenty. Some are free, and rest are the premium ones. So if you want to block by IP, that's going to be a paid thing. Block by country is going to be a paid thing, and all these further are the paid things. But up till the styles and even the blocking the content. So sometimes what you happens, you want to password protect the content, just a limited amount of content within the document, right, or within that particular post, that you can password protect, so that only that part is visible using the password, the rest is visible. So that is also something that you can do with this plugin. It has plenty of options to style things, right here, like how, like if something is protected, the tooltip that appears, you have the option to style all that. You have plenty of options for customizing this also, right? And regarding the options, let's start with general, then I'll come to the options. So you have an option to showcase like what all to protect and what all not to. Like you can exclude the text area and input area, right? You can add a notification text that you are not allowed to copy this content. You can change that, right? You can enable the copy protection in all post types. You can exclude specific things like pages, posts, landing pages, like that. You can exclude everything, right? Apart from that, you can upload an audio. It's kind of a notification only. All right. Now, you can disable the copy protection for super admins. So they will be able to do it, but the rest of the users will not be able to do it. For enabling it for specific post or types, this part and for specific user role is a premium feature. All right. Now, for us, we like just want to keep the things simple, right? And we want to be able to protect from most of the options that are there for people to easily copy the content. For that, let's just go to the options. Over here, what you can do is you can just select all of this, and that would do for you, right? What it has plenty of options: disabling right click for images, developer tools like the keyboard shortcuts, copy paste, select all, all these things will be, you'll be protected from it. Now this disable print screen, it doesn't work. I actually tried it, it doesn't work properly, but yes, if it works for you, then well and good, but it does not work on all screens or all PCs, right? So for the rest of them, they all work, right? And you can choose to select the certain options that you want. For me, I'll just select all of them, and they give you a good enough protection for your blog, right? For your content as well as for your images. So once you're done, just click on the save changes, right? And once these changes are saved, let's just, now I can right click. Let me just refresh this. And once this loads, then we'll take a look at it. Am I able to right click or not? So I'm right clicking it and nothing is happening, right? Let me just select all of it. I'm trying to left click, drag and select things. It's not working. All right. So there are, I cannot see the code, but the rest of the functionality, everything is working, right? If I want to click on the links, it works. I click on this link is working, right? And if I want to select anything, I'm not able to. If I right click on an image, it's not allowing me to, right? I'm not able to right click. I'm not able to use the keyboard shortcut for F12 for the developer tools, inspect it in any way or see the page source. I'm not able to do that. All right. So in that sense, this gives you a good enough option for not being able to, not allowing to people to easily copy the content. Right. So I think so. As far as the content goes, this is a decent plugin and it will protect your content. Right. Later on, I will try to create videos which are, even take it to an advanced level where you can, prevent a lot more, and we'll dive into some deeper aspects of protecting the content. All right. And also compare some different plugins and how each work, which one works, which one does not work, right? So I hope so this was informative and you will be able to apply it on your website as well and protect your content. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video.